Trying to pick a media server? Let's break down Jellyfin, Plex, and Emby so you can find the right one for your needs. Jellyfin is completely free and open source, no hidden costs, no subscriptions ever. It's actually a fork of Emby, created when Emby went closed source. You get all the basics like streaming, organizing your media, and watching on different devices. The interface looks less modern than the others and has a steeper learning curve, but it's perfect if you care about privacy and don't want to spend money. All features are unlocked from day one. Plex is a big name everybody knows. It's polished, easy to use, and works on basically any device. The free version lets you stream on your home network, but here's the catch. As of April 2025, remote streaming now requires a subscription. Plex Pass costs $7 monthly or $70 yearly. With a paid plan, you get features like skipping intros, hardware transcoding, DVR recording, and downloads for offline viewing. Plex also tries to be an all-in-one entertainment hub with free streaming channels, but some people find this annoying if they just want a simple media server. Now, Emby, it sits right in the middle. It offers customization and bridges the gap between Plex and Jellyfin. Emby Premier costs $5 monthly, $50 yearly, or $119 for lifetime access. The paid version unlocks offline downloads, DVR, full app access, and the hardware transcoding. Emby's free version offers fewer features than Plex's free version, but the paid version is highly customizable through plugins. So, which one should you choose? If privacy and zero cost matter most, go with Jellyfin. Want the easiest, most polished experience and don't mind paying? Plex is your answer. Emby is ideal if you want customization with a middle ground price. Each one works great. It just depends on what you value most. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.